be honest ha, walang ano to sis ha, it's no filter. Sa personality kasi ni Rona, when talaga makasama mo siya, hindi mo expect that she's a Christian. Opo, so dun pa lang, sabi ko, talaga. So syempre ikaw kasi as a Christian din, so parang andun ka agad yung loob mo. But of course, one of the reason also is yung kanyang English. Napapalaban din ako. So parang natatrain, sabi niya, itatrain ko daw siya as a life seller, gano'n. Siya naman, as a person, as a Rona, hindi niya alam na natatrain niya din ako the way she talk, the way she handle everything. So, it's a win-win. Parang nakasagot na ako ng tama. And then, yun nga, talagang, one of the reason also is yung pagka-genuine niya sa mga tao na nakapaligid. Kasi, especially to my staff, kasi ako naman talaga, sa mga nakakaalam talaga, for me, makikita mo yung ugali ng tao, hindi kapag kaharap mo siya. It's how you treat people. So, when I see her in our office talaga, nung nakakahalubilo niya yung mga staff ko, nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko din sa kanya. And sobrang thank you, Queen.
For those of you who don't know, actually pareho kami ng one day apart lang ang birthday namin ni Sheena. She's November 1, I'm November 2. All Saints, All Souls. Kaya nakatakot kami, di ba? Yes. So, yun, yung sa ugali, parang ang dali namin mag-jive talaga. Like, when we were talking, bilang, nga, it's easy to agree talaga. And so, yun din, like, tulad yung nakita ko rin yung passion talaga, and when she shared kung ano yung pinagdaanan nila as, when they were starting to grow Amara Shia, grabe, talagang napabilib ako doon. And she's really easy to get along with. Yun yung nakakatuwa doon. And, ano ba? Mukbang. Yun. Titit lang yan, pero guys, grabe yung order. Grabe. No filter sabi mo, di ba? Ayun.